Student, now today I will teach the class 12th economics of first chapter, that is the introduction of the macroeconomics. And the introduction into macroeconomics, as you studied in the class 11th about the microeconomics, in which you are studying about the single demand and the single supply, and that in the microeconomics there is too much micro is there, means the area is too much limited, but in macroeconomics the area is broad. See, firstly we will start from the macroeconomics, that when we saving, suppose one single example I am giving you. According to simple example, I am want to clear that about the macroeconomics. See, firstly saving. If we save more, then what will happen? Demand will be less. And when the demand will be less, the production is also less. And when the production is less, then obviously the employment is also less. And when when the employment is less, then unemployment category will be arise. Then what happened? So it means that we have to save less to give the employment to the people and to do the more production. This is comes under the macroeconomics. What is the importance of the macroeconomics? What is the importance of the macroeconomics? What we will study in the macroeconomics? First, it helps in the policy of the government. It helps in the policy of the government. If the government in the all the government policy, what the policies government is leading, what the policies the government is leading, what the things they are applying, that will be studied in the macroeconomics. Secondly, the distribution of the income. Distribution of the income is so much important for what? For increasing the national income. How the income is distributed among the people, so that they can earn the more and money to live their livelihood. And third one is it has the special significance in studying monetary problems that adversely affect the economy. It has the special significance in studying the monetary problem. See, in the macroeconomics also we will studying about the what? We will study about the monetary policy. Monetary policy is what? That policy in which the government, according to this policy, they are managing all the money system in the government. That is called the monetary policy. If the monetary policy is destroyed, then it will adversely affect the government. Adversely affect the government means इसका विपरीत प्रभाव पड़ेगा. गवर्नमेंट ठप हो जाएगी, पैसा रुपया नहीं आएगा, जो नेशनल इनकम होगा उसमें कमी होगा, और सारे सिस्टम गड़बड़ा जाएगी, महंगाई आ जाएगी, बेरोजगारी आ जाएगी, ये सारा चीज हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, it facilitates the international comparison. जो विदेशी व्यापार होता है, foreign trade is also depend upon the macroeconomics. We will study macroeconomics about the international comparison among the two countries. See, in this chapter, the whole book of class 12, we will study about the microeconomics. What are the subject matter? Subject matter are theory of the employment. रोजगार के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, लोगों की क्या से रोजगार मिलता है उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे, और नेशनल इनकम डिटर्मिनेशन, हाउ वी कैलकुलेट द नेशनल इनकम टू फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द कंट्री, और फॉर द जनरल प्राइसिंग कैसे होता है, जनरल प्राइसिंग क्या नीति लानी चाहिए, क्या प्राइस लानी चाहिए प्रोडक्ट्स की, इसकी चीज़ों को हम इस macroeconomics में पढ़ेंगे. और theory of the money, how the money fluctuates, how the money inflation is there, that we will study. About the money, how the fund flow is going on, that we will study in the theory, in the macroeconomics. And we will study the international trade. विदेशी व्यापार लोगों में कैसे हो रहा है, विदेशी व्यापार कैसे import export हो रहा है, we will study in this chapter. And how all these things are come in the macroeconomics, and we will study them. We will study about my main thing is that what is the difference between the macroeconomics and the macroeconomics. See, we will study the aggregate demand and the aggregate supply. We will study the aggregate demand and the aggregate supply in the macroeconomics, and in the microeconomics we will study only the what? Single demand and the single supply. As we know that when the demand is more, and the supply will come, we will study when the demand is more and the supply is less. जब मांग ज़्यादा होती है तो सप्लाई कम होगी, जैसे मांग जैसे बढ़ती है, किसी भी सामान की मांग यदि बढ़ती जा रही है, सप्लाई कम हो गई, और जब सप्लाई कम हो तो बेरोजगारी आना तय, employment will come necessary. So in the macroeconomics we will study about the aggregate demand, the whole demand, aggregate demand and the aggregate supply we will study. Now in the next lecture we will go through in the broad manner, and we will study about the theory of the employment. Thank you.